I will be explaining how I first created my pH mixture. So first I started by boiling 200 milliliters of water, and after that I added about 10 to 30 blueberries to a small bowl, and I started mashing them to create my mixture. I started pureeing my blueberries with a fork to get all the juice out so I could create the mixture it was asking me to. After a couple minutes of smashing my blueberries with my fork, I was almost finished and it started getting into a texture like marmalade. I smashed my blueberries for around 5 minutes to get it into a better consistency. After that, I added my blueberries to my boiling water and I let it boil or simmer for about 5 minutes. After that, I added it to a shifter to get all the pulp out, so I would be left with just the blueberry mixture and for it to be liquid so I could work with it for my experiment. After that, I started to get all of my foods and ingredients out so I can test my mixture. I used lemon juice, which I later found out that it was wrong using that because it's an antacid, so I just didn't use that. I used orange juice, cucumber juice, raspberry juice, and some salt water. I also used medicine, but that will be shown in a later clip. As you can see, this is 1 to 2 hours in, and I added my vinegar as my acid. This is my orange juice, my cucumber juice, my raspberry juice, which got a lot deeper in color, and my salt water, which at first it became a deep purple color and it started getting lighter. After that, I added a cabbage mixture and my medicine mixture for the stomach. My favorite experiment was my medicine because I liked the texture, and after that the cabbage was really interesting, noticing how much the odor changed. It became very potent, then it started, and then the salt water at first was a very dark maroon color, and I was expecting it to actually get darker in time, but it actually got into a very pale pink.